Hey beauties! Today I will be showing you a sneak peek behind the scenes of Ambitious Beauties, featuring product labeling. Let's get started. First, we're going to create our label with the Phonto app. And save our image as a PNG. Next, we're going to open the Cricut app and start a new project. Upload the PNG we just created in Phonto. Remove the background and any extra spaces. Save as a cut file. Upload your cut file to your project. Next, we're going to change the size to 4 inches wide. And change the color to the color of vinyl that we will be using. Next, press Make It. Now we will mirror the cut file. And change our Cricut settings to Iron On Plus. Grab your HTV and place the shiny part of the HTV down on your cutting mat. Load the mat onto the Cricut. Press the seat on your machine and watch the magic cut. And unload your mat when it's finished cutting. Grab all of your materials, the heat transfer vinyl we just cut, scissors, iron, a weeding tool, the jewelry pouch, or any product that you will want to label. Trim the extra vinyl away with your scissors. Be sure not to cut your label. Leave about a 1/2 inch border of HTV around the label. Using the weeding tool, weed your cut. Remove the border and the spaces inside your letters and shape that shouldn't be there. This is one of my favorite processes. Refer to the label that we created in Phonto and be sure that your weeded cut looks the same. Next, place your label where you would like it to sit on your product. Turn on your iron, set the temperature for your materials. I set it halfway for product labeling. Iron the label on by using an up-down motion first. Then iron across to secure to make sure that your label is down. Let the product cool off because it's very hot. Lastly, pull off the plastic cover and be amazed at your beautiful custom products. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video, be sure to hit the like button. And for more videos, be sure to subscribe. And remember, always stay ambitious.